Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I am showing you a tool that can save you a lot of time if you do digital marketing or manage client reports. It's called Reportz, and right now there is a lifetime deal on AppSumo. That means you just need to pay once and you can use it forever. Before we start, don't forget to check the description below. I have added the deal link and the most updated information for you. Alright, let's begin. So what is Reportz? Reportz is a tool that helps you to create marketing reports automatically. You can connect it to your Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Google Analytics and many more. Instead of spending hours to making reports by hand, Reportz does it for you in just minutes. So you can use it to track ad performance, and you can use it to show clients their results and keep your own data organized. Now, why is this helpful? Because if you work with clients or run your own business, reporting takes time. Reportz gives you a live dashboard you can share. That means your clients or team can see these results anytime, and you don't need to send updates every day. Also, you can schedule reports to be emailed weekly, monthly or anytime. And you may think, is it easy to use? Yes, you just choose a template, connect your account and your report is ready. No coding, no design skills, nothing needed. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal. Normally tools like this cost money in every single month, but with this deal you only pay one time and you can keep using it. And the lifetime deal is available on AppSumo, and this lifetime deal is a great choice for agencies or freelancers who want to save money for long term. If you want to save time, look professional and make your clients happy, it is a smart choice. So finally, check the description below for the deal link and updates information. It might end soon, so don't miss that out. And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.